What's up everybody? It's your girl and we are back for another video. Tonight's menu, we are showing you how to cook sausage and peppers in tomatoes. So you may have seen a few other YouTube videos where they take the sausage and the peppers, or sausage and onions and peppers, and put it in diced tomatoes and put it with rice or whatever. So basically that's what we're going to do. I have start prepping already some I have some chopped up bell peppers here. You can use whatever color you like. I just happen to have green and that's what we're using. And I have some cut up sausage already, and I have two more I'm going to cut up for you. These are beef sausages. I'll show you the packaging for the beef sausages. And this is what they look like. Here's your link. And then I also have in this bowl one bell pepper. And it's about this size. It's about this size here. That's your bell pepper. And I also have an onion that I'm probably not going to use all of it. But here is the onion and the bell pepper. So I'll put those to the side and then I'll start cutting up the rest of this sausage. Alright guys, so we're back. I just want to show you that because I don't have enough of my jasmine rice that I normally use, we are going with the Tony Chachere's today, the yellow rice. I have 2 boxes of this, and you're just going to follow the instructions on this 7-ounce box when you make it. I just want to show you that. I've got the big girl over here heating up. I also have a pot of water that you can't see. That is got about 5 cups of water and some butter in it, and that's gonna be for the rice. So I've got my pan over here, it's heating up. I'm gonna go in with my sausage. And we're gonna season our sausage with some complete total seasoning. Yes, it is beef sausage and it has enough like salt content already included. So I'm just gonna go in with some Saison complete. Y'all know I love my Goya seasonings. Goya, you need to sponsor your girl because I just use so much of y'all stuff. Them and Knorr. I use so much of their stuff. Right now I have my stove on a high heat. I am going to turn it down to a medium. And just lightly season. Because everything needs a little more flavor. Our sausage. And what you're looking for is for it to just get a nice little crustation on it, because it's already done. This is smoked sausage that's already done, so it really just needs to be heated through. I'm gonna return it back to the bowl that I had it in, and then we're going to do our vegetables in this same pan with all the sausage oil that's coming off of the sausage. And we're just waiting for our water to come to a complete boil before we go in and add our couple of packages of Tony Cheshire yellow rice. Definitely did not have enough jasmine rice today. I guess we could have done spaghetti noodles. That would have been good, as I was telling people earlier. You can use pasta in there. As you can see, this is yielding quite a bit of oil in the pan. And that's what you want. You want to keep that oil because you're going to need it to saute your vegetables. I really want to add some mushrooms to this, but my peoples in the house don't like mushrooms. So I be on my own when it comes to the mushrooms. So I might just add them later because they're just in a jar. It don't make sense for me to buy a bunch of mushrooms and they go bad because I'm the only one eating them. And then like in spaghetti sauce, when I buy the spaghetti sauce with fresh mushroom, y'all don't taste the mushroom. You don't taste it or see it, you know. It's overrated by the... So we do have a boil going by the sauce. We do have a boil going on our water. So I'm gonna open up these and pour them in. See, these things right here, they pack all the flavor right in this little bag. All your seasonings, everything is all in one bag. So this is gonna be an easy weeknight meal that you can put you some broccoli or something with. Okay, so we are back. Just so you see, here is the sausage. It's all cut up. That was all cut up and cooked in this oil right here. And in that same oil, we're gonna go in with our bell peppers and our onions. Remember, our stove's on a low heat. I turned it down when I was taking the sausage out so that we would have some smoke in this. So we are back, you guys. Our rice is done, and I am going to plate up or bowl up. As y'all can see, check that out. Check that rice out right there. That's some good. And on camera, it looks white, but it definitely is a yellow rice. So we're gonna put. I'm just gonna put a little bit in this bowl, just for Curtis to taste on camera for you guys. We'll come over here. Look at there, look at there, look at yonder, look at yonder. What you cooking, Glenda? What I'm cooking? A little piece of sausage and peppers, tomatoes. Ooh, this could be called sausage and peppers. A piece of sausage and peppers and tomatoes. Let me get a little parsley. Let me get some parsley right quick, so that we can top this off. Make it all brutal and stuff. Make it brutal. We're gonna make it a little brutal. Add a little color, a little more color to it, and then we will let Curtis taste it camera for you guys. I know y'all missed that part. Right here. So, we're gonna let Curtis taste this on camera. Be right back. So we are back. Curtis, I would not do that. Is going to be tasting this on camera, you guys. Here's his meal. Well, his snack, his little taste, because he just tasted it. There you go in the bowl. Y'all want to get the first bite of that? Get the first bite. Get the first bite right there. Oh my gosh. All right. Now, don't burn your mouth up. Don't burn it up. I'm gonna try not to. Did you get a little bit of rice and oh Lord, he done burned his lips, y'all. Really? Did you click like, share so we can grow? Because we want to grow. Can you grow with us? Grow with us. Like, share, and subscribe. And to all my G Squad members, thank y'all for rolling with us, continuously rolling with us, and sharing our videos. We are on a road to 1,000 subscribers, y'all. Come on, come on. I know we can do it. I know we can do it. I know we can do it. I need you guys to make sure you click that like button, share, so we can grow our channel and subscribe. We love y'all, and we will see you next time on What You Cooking, Glenda. That was lame. On What You Cooking, Glenda. We'll see you next time. Bye.